Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a close look at something incredibly useful for anyone with a gazebo, patio, pergola, gym setup, or really any space where a traditional TV wall mount just won't work. It's the ELIVED Pillar TV Mount, designed for 26 to 60-inch TVs, and built specifically to attach securely to poles and columns without drilling a single hole. If you've ever wanted a clean, flexible, and damage-free way to mount a TV outdoors or on an indoor pillar, this product might be exactly what you're looking for. First, let's talk about what makes this mount different. Instead of drilling into wood or concrete, the ELIVED mount uses a wraparound strap design. It works with poles from 3 inches all the way up to 17.7 inches in diameter, which means it covers a massive range of column sizes. And it's not limited to just round poles. Whether you have a square post, rectangular beam, hexagonal column, or even a triangular support structure, this mount is built to clamp securely around it. The straps are heavy-duty, and the stainless steel ratchet buckles lock everything into place so the mount doesn't shift over time. Even with a no-drill design, you still get full motion flexibility. The arm on this mount articulates, giving you a swivel range of 90 degrees in either direction. That means you can turn the TV toward different seating areas depending on where people are watching, which is especially useful in shared or open spaces. You also have tilt options, 5 degrees upward and 15 degrees downward, which is great for controlling glare or adjusting the viewing angle. Additionally, the mount offers 3 degrees of screen level adjustment, which helps you keep the TV perfectly straight even if the pole isn't completely symmetrical. Another thing worth noting is its extension range. When fully retracted, the TV sits just 3.4 inches from the pole, which makes the setup look sleek and tidy. But when you need the screen to reach further out, the arm extends all the way to 19.6 inches, making it easier to reach seating areas. That reach makes it easy to pull the TV out past large columns or position it more comfortably in open layouts. In terms of compatibility, the mount supports most 26 to 60-inch flat or curved televisions, with VISA patterns from 100 by 100 mm up to 400 by 400 mm. It can hold up to 77 pounds, which covers the majority of TVs in this size range, though checking your TV specs is always recommended. As always, you'll want to check your TV's VISA pattern and weight before installation, but most modern screens should fit without an issue. Setting it up is straightforward. Inside the box you get the straps, the ratchet buckles, all the mounting hardware, and the TV bracket itself. Because you're not drilling into anything, installation is faster and much easier than a standard wall mount for most people. You just secure the straps around your column, tighten them with the ratchet mechanism until everything feels solid. Attach the mounting plate to the back of your TV, and then hook the TV onto the arm. It's a process that feels intuitive, and the instructions included in the box are clear enough that most people should be able to complete installation without any frustration. What stands out here is the versatility of where you can use it. Outdoor gazebos and pergolas are obvious spots, but it's also perfect for commercial areas. Gyms, shopping malls, exhibition spaces, or even offices with open structural columns can all benefit from this type of mounting solution. Because it's removable and non-destructive, you can reposition it or relocate it completely whenever you need a new layout. That makes it especially appealing for renters or for anyone who rearranges their space frequently. From a build quality perspective, the mount is made of strong metal components designed to handle outdoor environments when installed under covered areas. The straps and buckles feel sturdy and secure, and once tightened, the mount holds the TV firmly in place without wobble. It delivers the same stability you'd expect from a drilled-in mount, but without altering your structure in any permanent way. To wrap things up, the ELIVED Pillar TV Mount solves a very specific but common problem: how to mount a TV when you don't have a standard wall. Its wide pole compatibility, no drill strap system, generous swivel and tilt motion, and strong build quality make it one of the most practical solutions available. If you want a flexible, clean, and stable setup on any kind of pole or column, this mount brings a lot of value and is refreshingly easy to work with. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more reviews just like it, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. I'll see you in the next one.